For install cup holder, put the cup holder to turntable and use hexagon wrench tight screw this side. After install one mode, then can click a turntable position or jog forward button on homepage until install 8 cup holder. Okay, click turntable position. If click the turntable position, the machine not move, you can click a reset button. After you click it, the spring will back to origin point, and then click again. You can see the machine will run again. When you printing the logo, don't printing the ink to the cup holder. Otherwise, if the cup is clear, the color sensor will read the background with this white ink. So be careful, don't printing the ink to the cup holder. Otherwise, this color sensor will read the ink on the cup holder. After you install one cup holder, then you can click turntable position to run to next one. If machine not move, you can click reset button. The machine will back to origin point. Then click turntable position again. Then the cam splitter will run to the next station.